Ndewo, ndewo kekime. Aha m bụ Ijeoma Akubwe, onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. So anyị na-eme 14-day Igbo lessons that we started on the 15th. Today bụ day 5. So day 5, we're doing food names and sentences. So mostly sentences because the food... Ndewo kekime. Aha m bụ Ijeoma Akubwe, onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. So anyị na-eme 14-day Igbo lessons that we started on the 15th. Today bụ day 5. Okay, so mostly food sentences because the actual food names and fruits, you find them on the website, igbostudy.com, okay? So go igbostudy.com, you see the name, lots of food names and sentences. So can you be the Nri. Nri. Nri is the word for food. Nri. Nri, okay? Mkpụrụ osisi. Mkpụrụ osisi. That's fruits. Fruits, mkpụrụ osisi. Akwụkwọ nri, vegetables. Akwụkwọ nri, vegetables. Mmiri, water. Mmiri, water. Now, mmanya. Mmanya is all the other drinks apart from water and hot beverages, okay? So, mmanya covers things like soda, juice, alcohol, malt drinks, beer, okay? But mmiri is water, and then hot beverages like tea, coffee, we just call them their names, tea, coffee, okay? Dalo. So that's it. Do you want to say the word for food? Nri, good. Fruits. Mkpụrụ osisi, vegetables. Akwụkwọ nri, water. Mmiri. And mmanya, drinks. Okay, well done. Agụụ ọ na-agụ gị? Agụụ ọ na-agụ gị? That means, are you hungry? Agụụ ọ na-agụ gị? Agụụ ọ na-agụ gị? Are you hungry? And then you just repeat, yes, agụụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. Okay, so to say I am hungry, agụụ na-agụ m. And to ask somebody, are you hungry? You say, agụụ ọ na-agụ gị? Because agụụ is hunger. So it's like, hunger, is it bothering you? Agụụ ọ na-agụ gị? Agụụ na-agụ m. Yes, I am hungry. Okay, so how do you ask someone, are you hungry? Agụụ ọ na-agụ gị? Well done. And how do you say, yes, I'm hungry? Agụụ na-agụ m. And usually the next question will be, kedu ihe ị ga-eri? What will you eat? Kedu ihe ị ga-eri? M ga-eri osikapa. I'll eat rice. Kedu ihe ị ga-eri? Kedu ihe ị ga-eri? What will you eat? M ga-eri osikapa. Kedu ihe anyị ga-eri? So same question, but we're asking a different set of people. So anyị means us. So it's like me saying, what will we eat? Or what are we going to eat? See? Kedu ihe anyị ga-eri? What are we going to eat? Anyị ga-eri unere. Anyị ga-eri unere. We'll eat banana. Kedu ihe anyị ga-eri? Anyị ga-eri ofe egusi. Anyị ga-eri osikapa. Okay? So what are we going to eat? Kedu ihe anyị ga-eri? How do you say it? Kedu ihe anyị ga-eri? Well done. And how do you say I will eat? No, not I. We will eat rice. Anyị ga-eri osikapa. Good. We will eat banana. Anyị ga-eri unere. Awesome. Okay, so if you're just joining us, welcome. This is day 5 of the 14-day Igbo lessons as I started on 15th. And these are some of the topics we're doing. We've done greetings, family. Today we're doing food names and fruit names. Okay. Kedu ihe ị na-esi mma? What are you cooking, Mom? Kedu ihe ị na-esi mma? M na-esi ofe egusi. M na-esi ofe egusi. What are you cooking, Mom? I'm cooking egusi soup. Okay. Kedu ihe ị na-esi mma? M na-esi ofe egusi. M na-esi ofe egusi. Ị richala? Ị richala? Mba. Are you done eating? No. So this is how to ask, are you done? Are you finished eating? Ị richala? Have you finished eating? Ị richala? Mba. No. Okay. Ị richala? If you're going to ask, like, are you done cooking? Ị sichala? Ị sichala? Are you done cooking? Ị richala? Are you done eating? So how do you ask, are you done eating? Ị richala? Dalu. And how do you say no? Mba. How do you say yes? Good. Ị chọrọ ọzọ? Biko, m chọrọ ọzọ. Do you want more? Yes, please, I want some more. Ị chọrọ ọzọ? Do you want more? So ọzọ, we're using here for more. It also means again, okay? Or another. So do you want like another portion? Ị chọrọ ọzọ? Biko, m chọrọ ọzọ. Is yes, isn't it? Biko, please. I want more. Yes, please, I want more. Ị chọrọ ọzọ? Biko, m chọrọ ọzọ. So how do you ask, do you want more? Ị chọrọ ọzọ, well done. And how do you say yes, please? Biko. How do you say I want some more? M chọrọ ọzọ. M richala. M richala. Do you remember that question when I asked, Ị richala? Ị richala was, are you done eating? Now, if you're done eating and you want to say, yes, I'm done, you can say, M richala. M richala. So, is me or I. M richala, I'm done eating. Okay? Emailer, thank you. M richala. So, let's ask the question again. Ị richala? Are you done? And if you're done, you say, M richala. The question, Ị richala? And the answer, M richala. Good. And how do you say thank you? Emailer. How else can you say thank you? Dalu. Okay, so I haven't covered a lot of food names here. I've just mentioned osikapa, rice, unere, banana, because I have a list of food names on igbostudy.com. Okay, so if you just Google Igbo names, Igbo study, no, did I say Igbo names? Igbo food names, or just go to igbostudy.com, really, and you find the article on food names. Dalu. So this is the 14-day Igbo lessons that we're carrying on, and Igbo Speakers Bootcamp is starting next month. If you would like more coaching, more support via live Zoom sessions online, check out the bootcamp by going to www.igbostudy.com/group-coaching. igbostudy.com/group-coaching. igbostudy.com/group-coaching. Okay. And if you want one-on-one lessons, you also find information on that on the website. Ngwanu Kodi O, Jisi Kena Sukwibo.